are two different types of scanners to choose from: a sheet-fed scanner and a flatbed scanner. A sheet-fed scanner is where you put multiple pages in and it scans those images in to your PC. A flatbed scanner like this one here is better for images, so you can put the image down on the flatbed of the scanner and scan the image in. Now, things you want to look for when choosing a scanner is what type of connection. There are USB connections, there are parallel connections, and there are SCSI connections. Just look at your PC and see what type of connection that you have. Most PCs nowadays have both parallel and USB. Another thing you want to look out for is optical resolution. Standard scanners are probably around 300 dpi, which is a pretty decent scanner. The higher the better. What the optical resolution does, it basically, it's how well the scanner reads the image. Another thing you want to look for is the color depth. Is it 8-bit, 16-bit, 20-bit? Nowadays you can get in the 42, 48-bit type of a scanner. And that's how you choose a scanner.